Hi friends, welcome to the Mr. Error YouTube channel. Here's how to manage WhatsApp's two-step verification settings on Android, iOS, and web desktop. What is two-step verification in WhatsApp? Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a 6-digit PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. On Android, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner, select Settings, go to Account, tap Two-Step Verification, tap Enable to set up the PIN and optional email, Disable to turn it off, change PIN to update your 6-digit code, change email address to update recovery email, turn off to disable two-step verification. On iPhone, iOS, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, bottom right, tap Account, select Two-Step Verification, then tap Enable to turn it on, tap Change PIN to update the code, tap Change Email Address to update recovery email, tap Turn Off to disable it. On WhatsApp web or desktop, you cannot enable or manage two-step verification directly on the web or desktop version. You must manage it through the mobile app, Android or iOS. Tips for better security. Don't share your PIN with anyone. Set a recovery email to reset your PIN if forgotten. Choose a strong PIN that's not easily guessable. Avoid birthdays or 123456. More interesting video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.